AgroHelpdesk, an intelligent agricultural call center with multiple agents and secure automation. The problem: large agribusinesses, cooperatives, and corporate farms receive hundreds of repetitive calls every day, with several exceeding the mark of 3,000 employees or members. My planter has a faulty sensor. What now? I need an urgent agronomic report. My fertilizer stock is low. I want to know what pest is attacking my corn. The solution: introducing the AgroHelpdesk for agribusiness and agriculture, an intelligent service center built on a multi-agent architecture and focused on secure automation, full transparency, and proper scalability. The platform allows producers, technicians, and collaborators to request any type of support via chat, web, WhatsApp, Teams, or even voice by sending messages, photos, or audio. How it works: FieldSense evaluates ACS conversations and classifies requests. FarmOps augments tickets with context, weather, crop stage, sensor data, interventions from Cosmos DB. AgroBrain runs RagPass via Azure AI Search, summarizes MAPA bulletins, agronomic manuals, IoT logs, and blob evidence. Runbook Master selects correct automation, executes workflows, dispatch orders, or advisories via Azure Functions/external systems. Explain It captures steps, justifications, confidence scores, and policy checks, provides audible narrative to dashboard and farmer. The chat workflow seamlessly connects front-end, back-end, and AI orchestration. User messages are sent from the React interface to the Fast API backend, logged in Azure Communication Services, and processed by the orchestrator, which coordinates agents to analyze intent, gather context, consult knowledge, and decide actions. Runbook Master either triggers automation or escalates by creating a work order through Azure Functions, which stores data in Cosmos DB and returns the OS ID, while Explain It delivers a clear confirmation back to the user interface. For example, work order OS 1234 created. This screen is the main control panel of AgroHelpdesk. Here, the farm support team can see all incoming assistance requests and follow in real time how the AI agents are working on each case. On the left side, we have the card Active Tickets. At the top, the system summarizes how many tickets are open, resolved, or escalated. Just below, each card represents a single ticket. We see the ticket ID, a short description of the problem, the plot or warehouse, the crop involved, and the channel where it came from, such as Microsoft Teams, WhatsApp, or the ERP system. By clicking on a ticket in this list, the operator chooses which case they want to focus on. On the right side, we see the details of the selected ticket. At the top, the panel shows the ticket ID and description, followed by structured information, the type of issue, the current status, for example, resolved or escalated. It is the main view that supervisors use to monitor AgroHelpdesk, validate recommendations, and ensure that every request from the field is handled quickly and transparently. This screen shows the Agro AI orchestration view of AgroHelpdesk. Here we can see in a single place how the different agents collaborate to solve a farmer's request. At the top, we have the intelligent sequence. Each icon represents one specialized agent: FieldSense, FarmOps, AgroBrain, Runbook Master, and Explain It. The status under each icon tells us if that agent has completed, is in progress, or is still pending in the workflow. This screen shows the maps with active alerts. This screen is the metrics dashboard. Its goal is to show, at a glance, the impact of the AI agents on farm support operations. The AgroHelpdesk chat screen is the primary digital front door for farmers and field operators seeking technical support. The central panel presents the customer service chat. Each conversation is tied to a unique session ID for tracking in the service desk. At the bottom, the input bar allows the user to type new messages and send them to the platform. Behind the scenes, every message is routed to the multi-agent orchestration layer, which classifies the issue, collects additional context, and prepares recommendations. This screen demonstrates how AgroHelpdesk transforms a simple chat into a structured, traceable support ticket, enabling fast, AI-driven technical assistance for agriculture. Azure Services. Azure Communication Services handles omni-channel intake and streams events to serverless orchestrators. Azure Functions run the multi-agent pipeline with secrets pulled securely from Azure Key Vault. Azure OpenAI consumes context retrieved from Azure AI search indexes built over datasets and files stored in Azure Blob Storage. Azure Cosmos DB persists tickets, agent traces, and audit logs for low latency state management. Azure Monitor captures telemetry, responsible AI signals, and alerting across the stack, ensuring the entire workflow remains observable, compliant, and reliable. Responsible AI. Autonomous Service Desk powered by Azure Communication Services and multi-agent orchestration. Explain It agent ensures every recommendation is tied to evidence, rationale, and confidence, enabling audits and trust. The Responsible AI dashboard delivers live transparency, fairness indicators, escalation alerts, and full decision provenance trails. Safety guardrails apply Azure Content Safety to all inbound and outbound traffic, with policy-driven redaction and tone checks. Human-in-the-loop supervision allows experts to approve pesticide automation, reroute sensitive cases, and override agents when needed. Risk mitigation includes role-based access control, key vault secrets, immutable logs, periodic bias testing, and documented runbooks for recovery. Impact. Up to 80% reduction in response time, automation of repetitive tasks, greater operational safety, traceable and auditable actions, digital, standardized, and scalable. Thank you for watching our presentation, AgroHelpdesk, empowering agribusiness with responsible AI.